Hi, my name is Natasya Binti Mohd Ridza. My matric number 2019412006 and from KBA 1195G.
Hi, my name is Nurul Binti Muhammad YUSOF, matrix number 2019232008 from KBA 1195G.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul SHAZWANI binti Mak ZAWAWI, matric number 2019211898 from KBA 1195G. Here we will discuss about Lloyds Bank versus Bundy.
Now, I will present about the story of the Lloyds Bank versus Bundy 1975. Herbert James Bundy owned a house which was the extent of his estate. His son operated a business that did not do very well, and he asked his father to give him collateral for taking out loans from Lloyds. The father signed the original collateral for a smaller amount of money after considering it overnight and talking to his lawyer. Later, the son needed more collateral, and the only way that Bundy could provide it was by using the house as collateral. When the lawyers from the bank came over with his son, they explained that this was the only thing that he could do to help his son, and Bundy signed the document. 5 months later, the bank foreclosed on the son's asset, and as his was bankrupt, they seized the house. But Bundy refused to leave the house, and the bank sued to have him evicted.
Next, I will present the court head of Lloyds Bank versus Mr. Bundy case. The court found Mr. Bundy because there was a relationship of trust and confidence between the father and the bank manager that gave rise to the presumptions of undue influence. The nature of the relationship between Lloyds and Mr. Bundy is a confidentiality whereby the court can intervene in the event of its abuse. There was a conflict of interest in the signing of the final guarantee and Mr. Bundy's legal charges, as he could have lost his only asset, which was his house, to the bank. Furthermore, Mr. Bundy did not receive independent legal advice that resulted in Lloyd's fiduciary custody obligations being violated. As a result, guarantee and final charges have been waived based on undue influence. Nevertheless, the judge granted an order to possess because of Mr. Bundy's appeal.
Lastly, I will discuss how the case related to theory of banking operation. This case was related to types of relationship theory in trustee and beneficiary relationship, where each bank may become as constructive trustee. When this trust duty exists, it requires good faith for the relationship to exist. This relationship is independent for the contractual relationship between the bank and customer. More precisely, bankers' fiduciary duty to grantors who are customers at the bank based on trust. Based on this case, the court decided that the bank and Mr. Bundy just have the normal relationship with ease between the bankers and the customer. It is not relationship cause one of trust and confidence, but a business relationship where the bank looks for its own interests. However, the bank manager also testified acknowledging that Mr. Bundy relied implicitly and solely on the advice given by him and did whatever the bank and his son said. This is because the father stated that he had trusted the bank because he had a long-standing relationship with the bank and generally acted on the advice given. I think that's all from us. Thank you.